Every great journey begins with the purest gifts of nature. These morning-drenched apples hold the vibrant essence of the earth, waiting to be transformed into liquid gold. In these vast gardens, the cycle of life creates perfection. Only the finest fruits are selected to begin their transition from the soil to our advanced facility. As the harvest arrives, the intersection of tradition and technology begins. Our facility represents the pinnacle of modern engineering, dedicated to preserving nature's most vital nutrients. Every batch is tracked with digital precision from the moment it enters. This advanced monitoring system ensures total transparency and quality control for every single apple harvested. Automated weighing systems calibrate the intake with absolute accuracy. This data-driven approach allows us to manage resources efficiently while maintaining the highest standards of production. The arrival is a spectacular display of color and abundance. A waterfall of fresh fruit pours into our system, marking the start of a sophisticated refining process. Here, the scale of our operation meets the delicacy of fruit. Every movement is calculated to prevent bruising, ensuring the integrity of the raw ingredients remains. Cleanliness is our absolute mandate. The journey continues as the apples enter the initial washing stage, where pure water prepares them for a deep, technological cleansing process. We utilize advanced ultrasonic technology to remove every impurity. Microvibrations ensure that even the smallest particles are washed away without damaging the delicate skin of the fruit. Hygiene is the foundation of our craft. As the apples move forward, they are subjected to rigorous cleaning cycles that exceed global safety standards for food production. Artificial intelligence acts as our ultimate guardian. High-speed cameras analyze every apple in milliseconds, identifying even the slightest imperfections that the human eye might miss during sorting. Only the perfect candidates move forward. Our robotic sorting system works tirelessly to ensure that only premium quality fruit enters the next critical stage of the extraction. The visual inspection continues as the apples are rotated for a full 360-degree evaluation. Every angle is checked to maintain the uncompromising quality of our raw materials. Human expertise oversees every step. Our technicians monitor the AI system to ensure that the balance between technology and biological nature is always perfectly maintained throughout. Excess moisture is removed using powerful air knives. This drying process is essential to ensure that no external water dilutes the pure juice we are about to extract. This visual symphony of physics and engineering prepares the fruit for its transformation. Every drop of water is cleared, leaving only the pristine, dry skin of the apple, a landscape of efficiency and purity. This hall is the gateway where raw nature is refined through the power of automation, setting the stage for the juice extraction. The apples are now ready for the core of the process. They fall into the hopper, moving from the light of the sorting hall into the extraction chamber. Inside the grinding mill, precision blades rotate at incredible speeds. The apples are transformed into a fine pomace, breaking down the cell walls to release the vital nutrients. This fresh pulp contains the entire spectrum of the fruit's flavor and health benefits. It is the raw medium from which we will draw the essence of it. Power and grace combine in our hydraulic presses. They apply immense, controlled pressure to the pulp, gently squeezing out every drop of juice without using any heat. The first stream of juice appears, a rich amber liquid that is 100% pure. This is the lifeblood of our product, containing no added water or chemicals. Notice the clarity and depth of color. This purity is achieved through mechanical force alone, preserving the natural enzymes and vitamins that make apple cider vinegar so special. As the pressure reaches its peak, the extraction becomes more intense. We maximize the yield while ensuring that the quality remains consistent from the first drop to last. Nothing is wasted in our facility. The remaining dry pulp is collected and diverted for secondary uses, embodying our commitment to a zero-waste, sustainable manufacturing philosophy. The raw juice is then transported through a sealed system of pipes. This prevents any exposure to air or contaminants, maintaining the absolute freshness of the liquid. We track every liter in real time. This precision allows us to monitor the efficiency of our extraction process and ensure that each batch meets our strict volume requirements. The juice gathers in massive holding vats before the next great transformation. Here, it rests briefly, ready for the magic of fermentation to begin in the coming days. Entering the fermentation hall is like stepping into a sanctuary of science. These towering tanks are where time and biology work together to create something truly extraordinary. Control is the key to consistency. Every valve and connection is maintained with surgical care to ensure the environment inside the tanks remains perfectly isolated and sterile. Our monitoring systems provide a window into the invisible. We track temperature, sugar levels, an oxygen concentration with millimetric precision to guide the fermentation process perfectly. Inside, the natural sugars are slowly converting into alcohol. This first stage of fermentation is a delicate dance of chemistry, requiring a stable and calm environment. The scale is immense, but the attention to detail is microscopic. Our staff perform regular physical checks, complementing the digital sensors with their years of experienced intuition. Regular sampling is a cornerstone of our quality assurance. Every batch is tested daily in our on-site lab to ensure the biological activity is proceeding exactly as planned. Under the microscope, we observe the life within. These beneficial bacteria are the artisans of vinegar, transforming the liquid through a natural, healthy, and ancient biological process. The acidity levels are monitored to the second decimal point. This ensures that the final product will have the perfect balance of tanginess and health-promoting properties. Thermal management is automated to protect the delicate cultures. By keeping the tanks at the ideal temperature, we allow the bacteria to thrive and produce the best flavor. The mother of vinegar begins to form a complex structure of proteins and enzymes. This is the heart of true apple cider vinegar, containing all the natural benefits. Pressure and oxygen flow are finely tuned. This second stage of fermentation is where the alcohol turns into acetic acid, creating the signature sharp taste of vinegar. The process is silent and steady. While the world sleeps, the vinegar matures in these sterile cathedrals of industry, developing its complex profile over many weeks of time. We analyze the molecular composition to ensure perfection. Every batch must match our gold standard profile, ensuring that every bottle delivered to you is of consistent, world-class quality. As the process nears completion, the liquid reaches its peak potency. The transformation from sweet apple juice to powerful, healthy vinegar is finally almost complete in our system. Now comes the refining stage. We use high-speed centrifugal filtration to remove unwanted sediments, while carefully preserving the beneficial components that define our high-quality apple cider vinegar. This multi-stage filtration process is a work of art. It polishes the liquid to a beautiful clarity, ensuring a premium appearance without stripping away the natural goodness. The liquid is now crystal clear and glowing. This visual check confirms the effectiveness of our refining process, meeting the aesthetic and purity expectations of our discerning customers. The vinegar then enters a period of stabilization. Aging allows the flavors to mellow and harmonize, creating a smoother taste profile that sets our product apart from others.
Cheers!
Sensory evaluation is the final test. Our experts assess the body and character of the vinegar, ensuring it possesses the complex aroma and depth of flavor we promise. The aroma should be crisp, with a hint of the original fruit still present. It is this delicate balance that determines if a batch is ready for bottling. When perfection is achieved, we move forward. This success is the result of months of patience and the tireless pursuit of excellence by our dedicated production team. The batch is officially certified. All data points are locked and recorded, providing a complete history of the product's journey from the orchard to this final refined state. The packaging stage begins with a rhythmic precision. A sea of glass bottles moves like a disciplined army, ready to be filled with the essence of our hard work. Even the packaging must be perfectly sterile. Every bottle undergoes a rigorous cleaning process to ensure that the purity of the vinegar is never compromised during the bottling. Our electronic filling system is a marvel of speed and accuracy. Each bottle is filled to the exact milliliter, ensuring consistency and value for every single customer worldwide. The golden liquid finds its home. This automated process is designed to minimize any turbulence, preserving the delicate aromatic compounds of the vinegar during the high-speed filling. Sealing in the freshness is instantaneous. The capping system applies the perfect amount of torque to ensure a leak-proof and tamper-evident seal for every bottle produced here. Our labels are applied with laser-guided precision. This ensures that every bottle carries our brand with the same level of perfection as the liquid contained within it. A final visual check under intense LED lighting. This automated inspection ensures that every label is straight, every cap is secure, and every bottle is absolutely flawless. Robotic precision handles the final packaging. These machines work with tireless efficiency, preparing the finished product for its journey to markets and homes across the entire globe. The boxes are sealed and labeled for their destination. Our logistics system is integrated into the production line, ensuring that fresh batches are shipped out without any delay. Security and stability are paramount for transport. Pallets are wrapped and secured, ready to withstand the rigors of international shipping, while protecting the precious cargo inside. The final stage of the factory journey begins. Our products are loaded with care, marking the end of our direct manufacturing and the beginning of the distribution. From this dock, our reach extends to every corner of the world. We are proud to share the results of our passion and technology with people everywhere. Our brand stands for a commitment to health and quality. This facility is a testament to what is possible when we respect nature and embrace the future. As the day ends, another shipment begins its journey. We move forward with the pride of knowing we have created the finest apple cider vinegar possible today. This is more than a factory. It is a center of excellence. Our mission is to continue innovating, setting new benchmarks for the industry and for health. The journey ends in your home. From the orchard to your kitchen, every drop tells a story of dedication, science, and timeless power of the apple. Experience the difference that pure quality makes. Whether for health, flavor, or wellness, our vinegar brings the very best of nature's bounty directly to your daily table. We believe that everyone deserves access to the highest quality natural products. Our work is driven by the desire to improve lives through the food we produce. Our commitment to the future is as strong as our respect for the past. We continue to plant the seeds for tomorrow's harvest, ensuring a sustainable legacy. The partnership between human effort and natural wisdom is the foundation of our success. Together, we are creating a healthier world, one apple at a time. A new day brings new opportunities for perfection. Our facility never stops striving for better, constantly refining our processes to stay at the cutting edge of production. It all starts with a single bloom. The beauty and complexity of nature are the true stars of our story, and we are merely the careful stewards. A journey of transformation, a journey of quality. From the field to the glass, we maintain a standard of excellence that is unmatched in the world today. Apple cider vinegar, the essence of nature, refined by the power of the future. Thank you for being a part of our extraordinary and dedicated global journey. Nature's pure essence, modern life's vitality. This is our promise to you every day in every bottle we produce. Pure quality, from our roots to you.